All right, welcome back to my house. This is crafting during COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. We are all making some art here in our homes. I've got my two kids with me. I've got Zoe. Zoe, give a wave.
Hi.
I've got Aiden. Aiden, give a wave. Awesome. And they're going to, they're just going to help me out that way. What you're going to need for this project is you're going to need that awesome marbleized paper that we made in a previous lesson. We did it some on the paper, and then we did some like on literally anything you can find around the house. We did it on receipts. We did it on credit card applications. We did it on the census envelope. We did it whatever we could find. All right. The other thing that I want you to have, if you have it, it would be awesome if you had construction paper at home. If you've got blue construction paper at home, that's fantastic. If you don't have blue construction paper at home, what you can do is you can get regular white copy paper, put a little bit of water, and then a little bit of food coloring in that water and paint it on. And I painted this on with like a brush that you find in the kitchen that you use for like marinating things. Yeah, that's a brush. You can use that brush. If you don't have that, a Q-tip you could use, or a cotton ball. You could use that. So you could put it in a big pan of water and put the dye in that and soak the whole thing and then lay it on a towel and dry. Ways to get construction paper when you can't leave the house. Okay, fantastic. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a collage with all of these awesome papers that I have, all the awesome papers that you've made. We're going to make a collage. I'm going to leave it up to you what you want to do. So these are fantastic for making a flower garden or an under ocean scene or a cityscape or anything else you want to come up with. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. I think, okay guys, my kids, what do you want to do for your collage? Zoe, what do you want?
I want to make it under the sea.
You're going to do under the sea? Okay.
Yeah, it's going to look pretty.
All right. And Aiden, what are you going to do? You're going to do the flower garden? Oh my gosh. Off camera, they told me the opposite of that. So they're messing with me here. That's fantastic. Okay. So we got ocean scene, we've got flower garden, and so that means I'm going to do the cityscape. Okay? So we're going to turn this around, and I'm going to give some basics, and then we're going to fast forward through our creations. Okay? All right, here we go. I'm going to show you something really crazy. So we're going to use glue, right? Now, some of you guys don't have glue at home. Some of you do. A lot of you do. And you know what? When we're gluing things, you can use whatever glue you want. You can use glue stick. You can use Elmer's glue. Maybe mom can help you use the hot glue gun, or maybe you're old enough for that. Maybe you don't have any glue at all. So we're going to use an ancient technique. What did people use for glue before there was glue? Aiden, show us what they used. An egg. That's right. People used to use egg whites as glue. And so we're going to go back to that. And what you're going to do is you're just going to use the egg white for glue. Your parents can help you get that situated. So we're going to put our egg white in a little cup, and then we're going to use some Q-tips as our applicators. All right, let's go. So we have put egg whites in a little cup. We don't want it in a bowl because we're going to be using Q-tips as our applicators, and we don't want the Q-tip to fall and get gooey everywhere. So again, just egg whites. That's what we're going to use for glue. All right, I've got Aiden over here, right here. Here's Aiden's spot, and to keep him on camera, that's where your paper goes, okay, buddy? And then I got Zoe's spot right here. All right, I was so excited when my local grocery store delivered the groceries in paper sacks. First of all, because I think that the coronavirus lives less time on paper, which might be why they switched to it. And also, there are so many crafts that you can do with paper sacks. So, I am going to, for Zoe's, cut some. And maybe we can do this for you too.
Okay. What's that?
This, my dear, for the ground, is the ground. And you give it a nice tear.
Ooh.
Yeah. for a nice organic ground. There's your ground. You can cut that to size. And there is your ground.
This is looking good so far.
All right, and then I'm going to work on my city one here.
I want worms.
Oh, you want worms? Okay, that's awesome. All right, we're going to go into kind of fast forward mode now because we're done talking. We're just going to make some art here for a while. So for us, it's going to be like the next 20 minutes, but for you guys at home, it's going to be like the next minute and a half. Love super duper fast forward mode.
Super duper fast forward.
All right, here we go. Oh, guys, leave me these ones. I think this will look really great as cities. All right, so we're going 20 times faster than normal. So this did take us almost 40 minutes to do. We did use the egg white glue, and we found that once the egg yolks had really soaked into the Q-tips, it worked really well. And we also switched to a little espresso cup, a little shot glass there, would work better for getting those Q-tips. We also thought that outlining things in a pen looked really good. I started outlining my windows, but then I decided I didn't want them all blacked out, so I started cutting yellow pieces for my windows, and then the kids also added their details, and they used a pen for the details of theirs. So you can use a pen for the details. So really, add lots of embellishments, lots of little details. When you are out of ideas, ask the other people in your family, what could I add to this? Aiden added a worm, and then Zoe was like, you have all kinds of bugs you could add, like a ladybug. And I started adding some windows, and then we were like, well, maybe we should add some doors and other things. I might draw some people in my windows once the egg yolk glue dries. Zoe's adding all kinds of things. She put her octopus on a rock that was the same color, so I was like, you should outline that so we can still see your octopus. So, collaborate together and get ideas from each other. Help each other out. When one person has trouble drawing another thing, then you can draw it, do that. I can't wait to see your creations. These are going to look amazing. Please comment below, post on Artsonia. Can't wait to see all of the amazing art you make. And here are the final products for you if you want to see those. Hey, if you are enjoying my videos and you are making arts and crafts at home, using them with your kids, I would really appreciate it if you like and comment below and share out my YouTube channel to all of your friends on social media. That would be fantastic. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Stay strong out there, everybody. We're going to get through this together.